Good morning vlog. Today we are heading to Disneyland for a very special occasion, which is to do breakfast at Plaza Inn. And this is something I've only done once before in my life, so I am super excited. Plaza Inn breakfast is a character dining experience, and I'm meeting up with my friend Smiley. I used to not be the biggest character person, but Smiley has definitely converted me on that. I used to be super shy and get like anxious around characters and not know what to say. Smiley's super outgoing and loves to interact with the characters. I did get a reservation for this and I did it through the Disneyland app. I definitely recommend reservations for dining experiences like this at the parks. But real quick before we head out, I wanted to share the bag charms of the day on my favorite Baggu medium cargo crossbody. The Mickey Waffle is a Tokyo Disney bag charm, and I picked it on purpose because we are having a Disney park breakfast with Mickey waffles, hopefully. I'm pretty sure they have them at Plaza Inn. Ear holder clip from Tokyo Disney. The character we are hoping most to see is Max. So I put this other little Max keychain charm on here, and then a Sakura Piglet match the hat choice that I have today. I am also taking an autograph book today, which is something I almost never do, to have as a fun little side activity for the breakfast. Other than that, I don't think we have any other specific missions for today. We'll just kind of have a fun Disneyland day. So let's head to the park. With Smiley now. We are almost ready to go into Plaza Inn. It is Valentine's Day today, but it might be a little bit later by the time you guys are seeing this. Smiley's outfit has gone all out on Max. The character breakfast at Plaza Inn is a year-round thing. It's not like it's a limited time or seasonal thing. Oh my goodness, the characters are like everywhere right now. I went to get food and it was like in the middle of all the action. Pooh Bear was at the table when I came back, but here is a little haul of what I got. The food is kind of buffet style. I got that.
He's the split.
Oh my goodness. Can't barely even speak right now. The food is kind of buffet style. It's at different counters. Someone will serve you the item that's at each counter. The eggs and bacon, they like completely loaded the plate, and I was kind of shocked at how much they gave me. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Do you like mustard?
No.
Ketchup, girl. Jalapeno.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. Oh yes, my hat. It matches your dress, your color scheme.
Look what I made. I'm gonna show you.
We were gonna bring it to show you in person.
Yes. And
But
look.
the next best thing.
Neat. You like blinging, right? Yes.
Yes.
And your dress too. Should I do your dress? And
the
your
shoes.
shoes. Got it.
Oh yes.
From head to
And the
toe.
bracelet.
And the bracelet. Got it.
Everything. Even your eyelashes. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
That's gonna be a lot of bling.
Shine bright like a diamond. Yes. Yes. I love that. You're the star. I love you because you're so sassy. I love it. Go girl. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Yes. Woo! Yes. Yes, girl. Period. Period. Yes. You know. I love you.
Beautiful.
Love you. Beautiful. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Hopefully Donald has a date, a dinner,
Hopefully.
and a present. No? Oh, man.
What?
Maybe you should find somebody else. Okay, looking.
We'll keep an eye out. We'll see
Yes.
if there's a good duck around for you.
Yes. Dr. Scrooge. McDuck. He's too old. Okay. Oh, Grandpa. No, you're too young. Yeah. No sugar daddy. Love you.
Love you so much.
Can you sign?
Yes, real quick. I picked the pink one because I felt like that would be your color. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Daisy. Happy Valentine's Day. We're so crazy, but we have so much fun. Hi, Pluto. Good morning. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. You want some mustard? Yes! Mustard!
Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you. Can I pet you? Oh, thank you. Good boy.
Say hi. So hi from Goofy. Or is it Pluto?
Oh my goodness. Thank you so
Love
much,
you,
Pluto.
Pluto. Yeah, so cute. Mustard.
Yes, thank you so much.
Chip almost gave me a heart attack when the camera was not rolling.
Yay!
You got me pretty good.
Yes. Yes.
Wait. Very nice. Just got done with breakfast at Plaza Inn and we saw so many characters. Sadly, Max wasn't one of them, and it seems like he may not be one of the characters that comes out there anymore, but we still had so much fun. We had so many interactions with the different
I
characters.
talk a lot. I talk too much. You'll see. You'll see.
We are so crazy sometimes, but we have so much fun and make so many memories.
And look, this is what Tracy made for me.
Other than that, we don't really have any other missions today. Maybe to see Goofy
Maybe. Again.
and show this Max Goofy movie outfit. That was like the cutest thing ever. But inside the castle on the Fantasyland side, kind of by where this Maleficent painting is, the Mickey and Friends characters come out before they join the marching band when they go down Main Street. And we're kind of in the right place at the right time to catch that. And it was just so cute. I also wanted to try to look for today that I almost forgot about. It is these Mickey earrings that came out at the parks recently. There's a silver one and a gold one. I'm hoping to find the gold one. So we're gonna check Emporium and maybe a couple other shops to see if we can find them. Here is the silver version, kind of randomly on this little rack. But the gold one is what I'm looking for. There's so many cute pieces I haven't seen before. This one's like a Sorcerer Mickey little set. Super cute. No luck finding the earrings in the Emporium, so we are hopping over to DCA to try to see if we might find them in one of the shops there. Stopped into Five and Dime here, and there are a bunch of the character tote bags. Made it to the jewelry section, so let's see if we can find it here. The Sorcerer Mickey ones again, but no gold Mickey hoops. Getting to be like evening now, and the earring search has become quite the mission because we checked a couple stores in DCA and had no luck, but we heard there might be a better chance at the Disneyland Hotel. So we're gonna make our way over there. Maybe check World of Disney and Downtown Disney on the way. No luck with the earrings, but we stumbled across this little mystery box in World of Disney. It's like a little sneaker, but all of them are Disney Afternoon, like 90s ones. One of them is a mystery one, and we're hoping it might be Powerline or something Goofy movie related, because there is one for Roxanne, but no Max or no Goofy. Smiley and I each got one of these little mystery boxes, so we're gonna do a little unboxing and see what we got. And these are all the different designs. Honestly, I'll be happy with any of these, but I am very curious about what the mystery one is.
Imagine we get the same one. Knowing us? Okay. Oh my goodness.
This is open.
I think.
Oh. Okay, ready? 2, 3. Oops, it's like wrapped up.
I got back! Who's that crouchy guy?
Okay, mine is Launchpad McQuack and the girl from Darkwing Duck. I don't remember her name, but
Oh my goodness.
so that was Roxanne was only on one side, and then Max was on the other.
So what's the mystery pin? Should we get another one? Did you give me scream?
Yes, I think the whole world is just screaming.
Ready?
We have seen some evidence that the mystery one is a Powerline one, so Smiley is back. Smiley is back with 2 more, so we're gonna see if we might get we got lucky with the first one, incredibly lucky, so we're gonna see if we have any more luck for the Powerline.
Oh Lord. Okay.
Okay. Box number 1. You want me to see?
No! Oh my God! No way! No way! Oh my freaking! I need to play the lotto.
Oh my goodness!
I can't believe this.
That was crazy. Oh
I
my
want to cry.
That was crazy.
I can't believe I did it. I got what I wanted. Okay. Sorry about that scream. Okay, now this one.
Okay, so number 2.
Okay, let's see what I get. If I get a repeat, she's getting it. I think. Go for it. I don't know who that is.
Ooh! Oh, that's cute. It's DuckTales, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And the other side has them with Scrooge, and it looks like they're like camping or something. But oh my goodness, the luck, the force is with Smiley today.
So excited.
Here is the full haul here. We've got Launchpad, then DuckTales, the Max and Roxanne one, and the grand finale, Powerline, Goofy movie with Goofy.
I'm passing this positive energy and blessing to Tracy, she's gonna find her earrings right now.
Yes, we're hoping that some of Smiley's luck, incredible luck, may have rubbed off on me.
Yes.
And continue the earring search. We've made it to the Disneyland Hotel, and this is the shop that I want to check. It's the Fantasia shop, which is in the Fantasyland Tower. It's kind of off the beaten path, and sometimes they have more stock of certain items here. Oh my goodness! They have them! You were lucky. Oh my gosh, they've got the silver one and the gold one here. Mission for the earrings was a success.
It is now the next day because we had quite a long day yesterday and I didn't have the energy to do an outro at the park. Plus, I wanted to show you guys the autographs that I got at Plaza Inn. Oh my goodness, I almost dropped the whole thing. Still recovering a little bit from yesterday, but first we have Pooh Bear, a beautiful big signature, and then Susie, which is the mouse from Cinderella, and I did not know her name, so I'm kind of glad that I got her autograph. Daisy Duck, which was so sassy and amazing. She was so much fun to talk to. And then Pluto. This is super cute. It says, "Love you, Pluto." I'm not quite sure what that is or what's going on there. And Tigger. And then that was it. The two that I missed were Chip and Dale because they were crazy and kind of all over the place. At first they came by the table when I had just gotten food and I wasn't ready for all their energy and everything. And then the second time, Chip gave me a jump scare, which I just missed getting on camera, but the whole experience was so much fun. And then we also got some buttons from Plaza Inn that have Minnie Mouse on them. The character breakfast was so much fun and I highly recommend that if you are a character person. The other mission we ended up having yesterday was finding the Mickey earrings, and I have them in right now in my regular size piercing to kind of give you an idea of what they look like. So that was our Disneyland day. I hope you might have enjoyed coming along all our adventures and crazy fangirling. Please leave a like if you did enjoy. And I know my vlogs have been a little bit all over the place. Still working on the Star Wars Celebration prep series, a couple park vlogs and Disneyland things on the side. And if those things are your things, please consider subscribing. But thank you so much for watching and being here today, and I hope to see you in the next one.